XRP USDT Overview. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to fuel our passion and keep this channel growing. Trading style, spot. Time frame, mid-term. Margin mode, isolated. Signal type, swing trade. Target time frame, about a month between TPs. Entry levels, 0.5330, 0.5770, 0.6278. Take profit targets. Target 1, 0.8060. Target 2, 0.9228. Target 3, 1.0141. Target 4, 1.1024. Target 5, 1.2222. Stop level, 0.3326. The secret to success in trading financial markets. Look carefully. Don't rush. Trade with simple lines, trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance.